So today we're gonna have a look if I'm gonna remove my little TGM air compressor and maybe relocate my washer fluid box to install this big ass twin air compressor in this location here somewhere. As you can see, there's not a lot of space, so yeah, curious to see if it will fit. Otherwise I might consider installing it in the cab somewhere, probably underneath the bench in the rear, or maybe in the bed somewhere. Looks like there's enough space for the air compressor. Found a nice spot next to the air box. Had to switch over the pump location. I'll have to put this back in place and glue it shut. But it will nicely fit in here. And then I have plenty of space to mount the big air compressor over there. A little bit of silicone. The top. That should seal it. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. Did the same last time, just to swap it around at different locations. Should be good. Perfect. Just added the compressors with a bracket to mount, to drill 2 more holes. Installed the brackets and compressors mounted nice and tight. Just run the wires loosely, see if it works. Oh yeah. Just tighten the fender. It's not even that loud, I find. Reservoir in place, compressor in place. It's waiting on an air manifold to make a little air manifold on the firewall there. So my ARB locker is going to be in there. Coupling that goes to the valve block for the Ctis. And just another coupler to do external tire pressures or something like that. Otherwise, I'm quite happy with it. It's nice and tight too, so it's not going to move around. Everything works perfectly. Great success.